WP Fluent Form's time and date fields make it easy for you to take in the dates provided by the user. Scroll to the time and date field from the general input fields and click on it. You can also drag and drop it. Or click on the plus icon on your blank form and select time and date from the drop-down menu. Now hover over the input field and click on the edit icon. Define your element label and choose where you want to place your label. At the top, to the right, or left of the field. Or don't show the label at all. By default, labels are shown at the top. Define your admin field label and placeholder. Choose the date format you like from the drop-down menu. Decide whether this field is needed by toggling on the required button. You can do further customization with the advanced options. For more details on the advanced options, go to the link provided on the description box. For more plugin updates and awesome tutorials, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon.